People, welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about the Giovanni, Ellis and the little Kelsey story. By now you'd have heard that Giovanni Ellis was sent to Irie Heaven. But when this whole thing was going down, I see something where it made me shake my head. And I think it reflects poorly on us as a people. Maybe not found to overlook it. I'm going to tell you why I think it is vile that in situations like this, the government have come off on the money for information on a case like this. It's the way I call out the Irish Saxons. I'm telling them they rate Irish Saxons. You know them tell us them love Jesus, they love Selassie, they love this. Money are then God. No matter what happen, no matter what this man do, them counter it. Yeah, but them man they rich, them man they have 50 cars, them man they have this and you so much this. No matter what you do, if you have things, especially if you give them some of the things, all is well. I don't think this look good. Before we go into that, we have 2 Patreon shout out. Well, actually 3. The first one goes out to Shantae's grandkids them. Shantae from the Patreon squad have 2-year-old grandkids. Yes. Kayer and Kiari. Twin life. 2 of them and them just turned 2. Shantae I tell me 7 times Riri hear the thunder. She said roar like a lion. Kayer, Kiari, big up on yourself. You know, so surrounded with nothing but love. And that is how it should be. Little boy, little girl. No sound in a good hands. Wants to grow up. To be the best that you can be. You see what them catch on? To the point where them can hear the thunder roar from the little YouTuber video and start roar. That's why I keep telling you, it's by design. Right. The demons them start go into the school go try to teach the pitting them things so I'm early because them realize say if you wait till the pitting them in them late teens, by them time it's too late. So them do know then start fuss you. Then start go way down in the kindergarten or all the K1, the K2 and all kind of BK. I mean not talk about the AK. When you can't stay they make these vile creatures fussing them. Pitting are very aware. Think them wanna watch and wanna listen. They don't talk about, no man, look up it now man, they don't realize what I want, that's soaking in them brain, same way. So if they're going to make things soaking in them brain, why not make something positive and constructive soaking in it? Kayer and Kiara, big up on yourself. Shantae, you don't know it, Gary, you not even have to say another word to you. Big up. Next up we have Cardero G. Cardero share a little incident to go on. Him and his family, him and his wifey. Right before his birthday. Cardero, all I can tell you is to try and keep your head up as best as possible. Wife, you're gonna need your strength right now. I know say you are go through it, but you don't know as a man. We still have to find the strength to support the people who love, no matter what. No words that can help you right now, bro. There's no words that I can tell you to make you feel better about what going on. At this time alone, I go slowly. Right? Heal a wound and the wound still not go fully heal. But try and keep it up as best as I can. As me tell you, you have all right for ask questions, bro. You have all right for ask questions because you see people, wicked, vile people, do much things and them they sit there and reach them. You see people who run up in our communities, wipe out man, woman, dog, child and sit and them things and reach them. Stay strong for yourself and stay strong for wife your best as you can, bro. That's Cardero G. You don't know anytime you want that one reason, link up the look YouTuber but they are the same way. That's Cardero, Kiari and Kayer from the Patreon squad. We could talk about Giovanni Ellis and little Kelsey. You'd have heard the story. Gruesome killing of a child. Remember say we run joke with everything. Right, we run joke with any and everything except pitney. Especially when time you're gone down to the single digits pitney them. When you talk about the 6, 7, 8, 9 of them number, them single, especially them time that we don't run joke. Right, we don't run joke with pitney at all, but when they start go down with the single digits, right, mouth not even not open much their teeth or skin. And run joke about everything. Remember I said, you look at YouTuber make fun of everybody, you know, including himself. When they see that over the years. Even my bestest charge them. Them know say right now if them broke up and down at the hospital, I'll string up. Once me rush go down there and realize say them alive and them gonna make it, them gonna get 2 joke on them head top right away. If him lose a toe, him turn toe boss. If him lose a eye, him turn cyclops. But when I run joke, comes down to the pitney thing. Something bothered me. When Giovanni Ellis was on the run, I see security minister and all kind of people come out and say, alright, they might put out $2 million reward now because days now start pass and then I get no intel. So, alright, you're going to put out money. You're going to put out $2 million reward. $2 million reward? Are you telling me that Irish Saxons need money as an incentive to give up somebody like that? You're telling me that as a people we need a financial incentive. You hear say one little girl like that dead under the most gruesome of manners. And as a people, man sit down the days and days no one go on. And until money get put on the table, people get busy. No money shouldn't have to go up on the table, guy. One time we hear them type of killing, one time we hear about 5 and 6 year old and them something than 9-year-old. We don't need to hear about no financial reward, guy. No money now for offer for them kind of intel. Because Jamaicans chat people for free. Jamaicans will carry news for free. I saw our thing set. And all of a sudden you need money for carry news. No money not supposed to have to run for them type of news, guy. No money not supposed to have to run for them type of information. When it comes down to children, no money not supposed to have to go down on the table. No financial incentive not supposed to have to put out to make Jamaicans react. When them hear say 9-year-old dead and 7-year-old and cheating, no money now for mention, guy. Remember say when you go foreign, I want to go live in a certain places, when the neighbor them run they call police for free. I want to not kill the 9-year-old. Let me say one more time. Iremanian, Iro-Saxon, you know say when you go certain place in a foreign, where on the neighbor them, Billy Joe and Gwyneth would call police for free. For minor offense. Man a inform pan you in a Connecticut for free. And you not kill nobody. Iro-Saxon sit down there talk about, yo, money and run your dog. But we go start make the call now. Cause that's on the God. Money on the God, you know. When we say which God, that's your God, money. That's why if you notice they can do anything. But as soon as they get back our strength, just make them see you buy 1, 2 car and then see you buy this and buy that. Everything where they get overlooked. Them start talk about, yo man thing, turn up right now the dog. Worse if you can put on one treat and money ain't God. We're all adults, we know in our life you need money for do things. If you want a vehicle for drive go work you need money. If you want to go on vacation you need money. We know it go. But Irish Saxons carry it too far. People get excited when they hear about $2 million. Man I start ask man if them don't know what I want to. That's saying can tell them and them now go link and share the money. But because you're not bound by a sense of duty. This is the problem I have with Irish Saxons. They don't believe in things like duty. If you're the Iron Man and somebody just randomly start act decent around you, start get ready for draw out your wallet cause probably sitting in my look. Man just start act nice and courteous like, hey, here we go. Start counting on the clock. 10, 9, 8, your father, you can, oh, there it is. Right on time. It is so spooky now. That's when somebody genuinely pleasant and decent with you, you become suspicious. I like me I tell. Alright man, and start to me. When they meet a Jamaican that's genuinely pleasant and them come around and them start with a conversation, you automatically get suspicious because you think to yourself, what that's somebody I want. I wonder if I say to my try to set me up. Because, you know why? Because that is not the natural behavior of an Irish Saxon. When something is natural and normal, then you say, oh, when my fellow Jamaican talk to me, my neighbor talk to me. But in Irish Saxon culture, anytime you see a man get too friendly around you, you start look like, hold on, I want to go on so. That shows you where we are as a people. That's now when you meet somebody who genuinely just neighborly, you're left confused like, hold on, what was that about? What was that about? I wonder if somebody try to set me up. It gets spooky because your brain gets confused because that is not normal Irish Saxon behavior. Not in modern times, maybe in old time Jamaica. But not the Jamaica we have now. And when I say Jamaica, I'm not even talking about just the rock. I talk about the whole diaspora, where they are Queens, where they are Brooklyn, where they are in Toronto. I see him thing when I meet Jamaicans, I see him thing anywhere in the world. There has to be some kind of financial incentive, and if there is, then anything can go on, I can get you anything. But if there isn't, go suck your more. It's vile. People are telling me, look at you boy yesterday, and finally get out Giovanni, Ellis, and before the video done, I ask the question. Like how him never did right away. Like, there were days in between what happened to little girl and him dying. Then, how you know saying repent in the days in between? How you know that? Would somebody who slaughter a 9-year-old and then repent and then police kill him, are they in heaven? I don't know. Maybe one can explain it for me. Would they be forgiven? All is well? And the 9-year-old, what happened to them? Are they above or below the threshold? For hell, I don't know. There are questions I ask. But I don't rate Irish Saxons. I rate Iranians, and I rate Irish Saxons. When it comes down to 9-year-old and 7-year-old, I don't want to send a security minister off on the money to phone the talk. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.